a baby goat. You all know that you might have seen a big herd of goat and sheep, and in that herd, the herd is being taken care by the shepherd, and in that herd there is a small baby goat, and its name is Gauri, and it is hot summer. Because it is hot summer, there is no grass. It is not green, so there is no grass. So it's very food is very scarce. So it is hungry. So the baby goat is in search of food. So the baby goat started searching here and there for its food. So my dear friend, now there is a boy. There is a boy, a good boy like you, who started nurturing a small mango plant. And this baby goat have seen that plant and started grazing the tender leaves of the mango plant. And because it is very hungry, so by the time the boy came, the baby goat finished all the leaves. The boy started crying because he has taken all the pains in growing the plant. So my dear friends, here then the boy realized that he has to give some kind of fence to protect the plant. Then he kept the fence and protected his plant. He loved his plant. He owned his plant. He regularly watered the plant. He gave manure to the plant. He regularly observed the plant. So my dear friends, all of you try to nurture a plant. Protect it. Keep a guard, a tree guard, a guard to protect it. And take care of it. Take a photo. Every 6 months or every month, take a photo. It will be just, its height will be increasing. Your height will stop at a particular point. But a day comes after 10 years, if you see, your tree becomes so big that you feel so proud about your tree. I hope that on your birthdays or any special days, see that you are planting a plant, right, mango or anything of your wish, and nurture it, care for it and grow it. Thank you.
So in today's class, let us discuss about Gauri the baby goat. Okay, first let us see the picture, all of you. What do you see in the picture? A goat, right? A goat is chewing the plant. And what else do we see in the picture? In front of the goat, we see a plant and also some kind of plants around the goat. Okay, what is the name of the goat given in the lesson? Name of the goat is Gauri. So it is a baby goat. Baby goat is called as lamb. What do we call the baby goats? The baby goats are called as lambs, and also female goats are called as does, and male goats are called as bucks. A male goat or a sheep is called as ram. Immature goats or small goats are called as lambs. Okay, children? So, who will take care of the goats? See, in villages we see a man is at the back of the herd, right? So a group of animals is called as a herd. So a shepherd, we call him as a shepherd who look after the goats. So in the same way, a man who look after the cows we call as a cowherd, and a man who looks after the pigs is called as a swineherd, and a man who looks after the goats is called as a goat herd. Okay, now all of you once turn your papers. Okay, see here in the next picture we can see a boy crying, right? And also a goat in front of the boy. So why this boy is crying? Why, what happened? Why this boy is crying? So let us see the story now. Once I'll read out the story, all of you take out your papers and see in your papers. So Gauri is a goat. What is the name of the goat here? Gauri. She is a baby goat. Already I told. What are the baby goats called? They are called as lambs. She is looking for food. So what is the baby goat searching for? She is searching for the food. So there is no grass around the baby goat. So poor Gauri, what can she eat? So she was searching for the food. She did not find any kind of food around. So here is a little plant. See, this is called as an exclamation mark. These exclamation marks are used to express our sudden feelings. Okay. So here is a little plant. It is a mango plant. What plant did Gauri found? It is a mango plant. Gauri is eating it up. So as it was feeling very hungry, what happened? Gauri started eating the mango plant. Why is Anil crying? As we have discussed earlier in the picture, we found that the boy is crying, right? Why that boy is crying? Because it was Anil's mango plant. That's why the boy was crying, because it was eaten up by the Gauri. So did you understand the story, children? Okay, come on now. Let us see the exercise part. So what does the story say? What you have to do is, you have to read the exercise carefully, and they have given you some options and you have to choose the right one and write in your notebooks. Okay? So read the sentences below. Each sentence has 2 words in the brackets. Which is the right word? Write that word in your exercise book along with the number of the sentence. Okay, first let us see the first one. Gauri is a baby goat or a girl? Goat. So you underline that one. In the similar way, second, she is looking for water or food? Food. Third one, there is no or some grass? There is no grass. She eats a mango tree or a plant? Plant. The mango plant was Anil's or Gauri's? Anil's. Okay. So here, in the same way, once you turn your paper and see you can find the new words like goat, grass, plant, mango and boy. Thank you, children.